Today, we do the not so fun part of owning a motorcycle, and that is chain maintenance. I can walk you through how I do my chain, how I clean and lube it. This is how I do it. If you do it a different way, just let me know in the comments. We can discuss tactics, but it's always worked for me. This is the stuff I use here. I gave the bike a little wash down already. We're gonna go ahead and get in with the chain. I have a bucket with soap here. I have my brush, brand new brush, and here are the products we're using. And yes, WD-40 is right here because I have a little pro tip later. But we also have the bike here on its stand. So we'll go ahead and hop right into this. I don't like to cover my bike in water unless it's pretty filthy. I'll just take a wet towel and soap and go from top to bottom. All plastics go first and then all the metal goes last as well. Okay, I just wanted to bring you in a little bit closer so we can get a nice good look on this chain. It's kind of bad. We'll eventually have to switch it out anyway because we'll be getting a new sprocket. But in the time being, it's still important to take care of your bikes. Personally, I don't think you need anything all that crazy expensive to clean your bike chain, especially on a Grom. So this is just dish soap, and we have engine cleaner. Eventually, sure, I can go ahead and get actual chain cleaner, but this works just as fine. This works just fine for me. But first we'll go in with the water and just give the bike a little scrub. The best part about these brushes, I think we got them off eBay, super cheap. We got a whole pack of them, but they are full, you know, 3 sides. You get both sides and you get the bottom, and then you also get a little scrub at the bottom. But it's super easy. I just go in on the sprocket, and then you can even go underneath and then just swirl it and let it get a good soak. The sprocket looks pretty good. This is actually the first time I am doing any maintenance on this bike since I bought it. But it looks like it can use a little clean, but the sprocket looks good. The chain might need to be replaced. It definitely looks like it needs to be tightened. I was not the first one doing wheelies on this bike. Then we'll go in with the back part just to touch up the sprocket a little bit. You'll always want to just wipe off the extra soap because we're going to go ahead and spray the engine cleaner. Get that, and then we'll go in with this, the foamy cleaner. Okay. This thing kind of explodes. And just kind of, there we go. And then just do the same thing with the brush. Just kind of scrub this in. Even if you don't have a brush like this, still go ahead and clean your chains, even if you're just using a towel. I just find that the brush is the easiest way to get a good, nice, deep clean on your chain. Good thing too with the Grom, it's in a very small chain, so it's pretty easy to get a nice clean on here. And go back in. Try to touch up the sprocket. And then we'll use the cloth again. Get off any extra soap or any of the cleaner. This is a wet cloth we're using, but we'll go back through with a dry cloth. And then you can go under here too. We'll bring you in for a nice close-up of the chain after. It looks like a brand new chain. It had rust on it before, and it comes right off. It's beautiful. We'll go ahead and clean up the rims. They're a little dirty. Wait, I'm sorry, we can't skip this step. The lube. These two are very good choices for, chain wax and chain guard. One of these is more of a spray. I think we're gonna do the chain guard today. It's the same thing. You just move the bike a little bit and spray. It doesn't need too much, but just make sure it's on there. You can even go, because bikes have a little sprocket right in here too. Just go and spray in there. Give it a few spins. It should lube right up. You can also turn the bike on, put it in first gear. It'll spin the tire for you. This works just fine. For the pro tip, right, WD-40 will always take off any smudges left from your chain wax on the back wheel. You turn it on, it slings everywhere. So WD-40 takes it right off. You just want to put a little bit on a dry towel, and you just put it right on the back wheel. It takes off all that extra smudge. Then you can go back in with your wet towel and clean it off. This bike is way too easy to clean. I love it. So that's pretty much wraps up the basic chain maintenance on the Honda Grom. It's nothing crazy, it's super simple. Eventually the bike will need an oil change. You have to do oil changes like every 800 miles or something like that. If you would like to see how I do that as well, just leave the video a like and let me know that you're interested in these kind of style of videos. If you have any tips for that, let me know, because this will be the first time I attempt my own oil change on a bike. If you're looking for another video, somewhere on the screen here, go ahead, click it, and I will see you over there. Bye-bye.